Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the time zone in Windows. Changing your time zone is important to ensure that your system displays the correct time, especially if you travel frequently or relocate. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings by clicking on the gear icon. In the Settings window, select Time and Language. On the left sidebar, click on Date and Time. Here you will see options to adjust your time settings. Look for the Time Zone section. If you want Windows to automatically adjust your time zone based on your location, toggle on Set Time Zone Automatically. However, if you prefer to set it manually, turn off this option. Now, click on the drop-down menu under Time Zone and select the correct time zone for your location. Once you have made your selection, Windows will automatically adjust the time according to the time zone you chose. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more tech tips tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.